How to remove shows from continue playing on your Peacock TV or on your Peacock. For this, you have to follow some of the genuine steps here. The first one is you can delete it with the two methods. First method is simply fast forwarding a series or TV show to the end, removing the titles from the continue watching queue. And here is a detailed step on how to proceed with the two methods on your Peacock TV. The first one is fast forwarding method. It is the easiest you can use to delete the continue watching from Peacock. So let me just tell you the process how you can do it. This is because the title you watched in the continue watching row, since you did not finish it. Had you completed, Peacock would not have to add it to the queue. Here is how. Launch the Peacock and sign into your account if you have not. Go to the My Movies section, go to Continue Watching, locate the movie you do not want to finish, play the video, and drag the progress bar to the end. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.